Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to use your mug press to sublimate Skinny Tumblers. So the first thing you want to do is get out your water bottle attachment and put that in. For time and temp we're going to be using 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 80 seconds. Then you want to set up the press properly. So you're going to take your Skinny Tumbler, put it in so that it's to the end of the heat, and just see where that would line up on the tumbler. So you're about right there. And then you want to push that all the way to the end and see where that would line up again. You're about right in between these two here. So you want to just make a little mark there so that you know where that's going to line up. The reason why you want to do that is you don't want to press the middle part multiple times, as sometimes that'll overcook it and you'll end up getting a little bit of browning there. So here's our design for today. We're going to be using something that's fully to the top and to the bottom, because that's sometimes where people have trouble, is getting a little bit of bubbling at either right at the top or right at the bottom. So you want to take your tape and make sure that you have plenty of tape to get all the way from the top to the bottom. That's going to help with getting a tight fit the whole way around so you have even pressure. All right. Then with the tumbler, we want to line this up right to the bottom. So we don't want to go too far up, and we don't want to go all the way down either, because that's going to create kind of that bubbling or lack of pressure. So you just want to line it up right with the bottom seam. So you're going to put that pressure all the way around, tape there, and then make sure you're nice and tight all the way to the other side, and tape there as well. Now, as you can notice here, it is a little bit over at the top there. That is completely okay. That's actually going to get you the best roll right to the top there. So once you're ready and you've got the tape all firmly pressed down, you're happy with your pressure, you're going to stick that tumbler in right to the edge. Then you're going to line up, making sure that your tape is covered on both sides to make sure that we don't get any lack of pressure over on the side there. All right, go ahead, take that tumbler out. Remember, it's going to be hot, so be careful. I like to peel the paper off right away. And there you go. Perfectly done to the top and bottom.